Today we're gonna make pumpkin juice. Stay tuned. Hi, welcome to JiffyWiz, where we make magic. My name is Andy Sharp. If you're new to this channel, think about subscribing right down there in the corner. Hit that bell if you want reminders. We do new videos every single Monday. If you're new to this channel, we do Harry Potter DIY. Sometimes we make props, sometimes we unbox loot. Today we're actually going to be making pumpkin juice. It's October, Halloween time, and it's what better time to make a Harry Potter staple. You sometimes hear them drinking pumpkin juice on the train or in the Great Hall. It's a really easy recipe to make. Let's get started. Here's what you need. Half a gallon apple cider, half a can of pumpkin puree, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, a teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice, and 1/8 of a cup of sugar. All you need to do is mix it all together. That was pumpkin juice from Harry Potter. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. I just stored mine back into the apple cider jug and put it back in the fridge, so it's easy to store. Probably will store for the same time that the apple cider will store for. So use that expiration date. It's great for a party if you're having a Halloween party or an autumn party. Tastes pretty good. If you guys make it, leave a comment down in the comments below. We have subscriber giveaways. I have my first subscriber. Super excited about that. Thank you, subscriber. I'm hoping to get maybe 3 by the end of the year. Hope you had a good time watching, everybody. See you next time. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you'd like to follow me on social media, I'm at JiffyWiz. I also have a Etsy store with Harry Potter inspired art for sale. Check that out in the description below. If you haven't already, make sure you guys subscribe right over there in that green dot. We do new videos every single Monday. I hope to see you guys back here. Mischief managed.